universe and the subatomic particles that occur on Earth. And so we frequently use a bunch of technology to help us with our studies, and we also like to map out coordinates of planets and also do certain things with lasers and other cool tools. And then we have a lot of paperwork though, and so that's not as fun, but but we still do get to do a lot of work. And so here's Clemson University. They're in southern Carolina, and they have a really nice astronomy program. And then, so if you would like to be an astrophysicist, then you have to go through a ton of school. You'll spend like a ninth of your life just in college, and you have to go to regular college, then you'd have to go to get your master's, and then you'd have to go to get a doctorate, and then enroll in the postdoctoral program for a long time. And then if you pass all of those things, then you can go to there's some nice space centers in the University of California, Berkeley, and Clemson, and a few other places just around the United States. And then in Berkeley, they have an observatory on the roof, and I thought that was pretty cool. They get to look at the stars at night. And then, so you have to know how to operate high-powered lasers, telescopes, microscopes, and it just depends on your how you study it. You can also find radio frequencies of certain planets and stuff, and you can also deal with nuclear particles and other things like that. And but that was just
that's just how much you get paid, right?
Yeah. Okay, so we have a pretty high income. The top 10% get paid from $150,000 to $200,000 a year, and then the lower 10% they still get paid $50,000 a year. And then NASA likes astrophysics a lot, and so they have people have gazed at the stars, given them names, and observed their changes for thousands of years. NASA joined the ancient pursuit of knowledge in our universe comparatively recently. Nevertheless, in our first half-century of space science, we contributed to several major advances in astronomy, including a few of these new technologies they've come out with. And then they've also realized that dark energy is actually expanding the universe, so it will never be the same size. It always gets bigger and bigger. And then, so E equals mc squared. We have to do astrophysiology has a lot to do with E equals mc squared. And so energy equals mass times the speed of light times itself again. And so that means that energy always has part in light. So energy makes light work because it heats the filament and lights, and then those two combined, if you combine the energy and the mass, then you can get you can get energy from light and everything. And so the job employment rate is supposed to raise by 14% in the next 10 years, which is good. It's becoming more and more popular. And then, as you can see, I'm very nerdy and should probably get a life, but I can make some important contributions to the space. And if you're wondering who found Planet X, that was astrophysicists and other astronomers. And I hope that you enjoyed my presentation.